So YouTube, it's your boy Zay. Man, we back with another video, bro. And look, bro, I've been going a while, and that's because a lot has changed. For one, the biggest thing is, check me out. You see it on the wrist, excuse me, on the finger. Your boy's married now, bro. And that process was very stressful, but business had to be handled, man. But after that, bro, I'm feeling reinvigorated. I got a lot of things I want to do, man. This channel's going in a different direction. So let's go ahead and start off with it, bro. So first things first, I actually have a theme for the car, and I feel like this is what I should have had since I first started, you know, doing these YouTube videos, because I done a lot of stuff, you know, a lot of performance parts, wrapping the car, but I ain't really have like no plan that I saw for it in the future. But now I do, man. We calling it the Venom project, bro. And man, I could talk to y'all all day about what I got planned. First off, the most important thing we got to do, man, we got to fix some stuff, bro. We can't be out here just looking any type of way no more. Go ahead and replace that. We need to get that done. And bro, the wrap has been good to me. Hold on, y'all. One of the neighbors coming by real quick. But yeah, y'all, the wrap has been good to me, man. It's held up pretty well. But it's time for it to go, man. It lasted a long time. I didn't take care of it as much as I should. So now it's got to go, man. I'm thinking, we'll save that for later in the video. But that's got to go, man. It's time for new tires, bro. I still got, you know, a good little amount of traction, but I hydroplaned the other day. But anyways, this is not even the full setup. Those of y'all that have been watching know that my, you know, my wheel fitment is a little better with my other wheels than they are with these, you know what I'm saying? I have more of a flush fitment, so we got to get the new wheels, the old wheels up there, and the old tires, bro, because I like that fitment better, man. We got to put a new lip back up there, bro. We got to stop playing around. Get a new lip up there and actually install it properly, because I'm just saying it's user error at this point, bro. It just keep coming off. We got to do that there, man. Check this out right here. We got to get a brand new diffuser, bro. And we got to watch what we driving out here, man. I know the area now. I know where to go and where not to go with a lower car now. So we got to change that out, man. And I like these a lot, but the silver has to go, bro. So, I mean, if the silver has to go, what does that mean exactly? If the white has to go, what does that mean exactly? Well, when I first bought this car, bro, I always wanted it to be black. I bought it because I thought it was black. It looked black in the pictures, but when I went to test drive it, it was like a navy blue. But I loved it, so this is where we at. But yeah, man, so what we're gonna do is we blacking out the car, man. Project Venom, if y'all know me, I have another channel. I love Marvel, and Venom is one of my favorite characters. So we blacking the car out, man. That's what Project Venom means. We blacking it out, getting it back in good shape, bruh. I think I'm gonna take all the carbon fiber off too, man. Well, especially on the inside, I have, let's say, Amazon or eBay carbon fiber, as y'all can see, man. So we trying to go ahead, get some real carbon fiber in here. We're gonna get some Venom themed things in here. And we are getting the turbo. I've been saying it forever. We are getting the turbo. I want to go ahead and get a turbo inlet pipe. I want to get some nice things, you know, around the in the engine bay, bro. I got to start cleaning up the engine bay, keep it looking nice. And we're gonna get some nice theme things in there too, some custom things. We're gonna have a steering wheel on the way. We got to replace the mats, man. The mats was good, they nice, but we got to replace the mats. We got to get it looking back right in here, bro. And the biggest thing with me is, not everything about having a car or modding a car is about performance, bro. I've done most of the performance things, and they've done me well. I like going fast and having fun. All we need now is the turbo. But with that being said, I like the car to look nice too, bro. So we got to hook it back up on the inside, have it looking, you know, luxury. So I'm thinking in here, the seats aren't black neither. Everything is going to be black. I probably want to do the liner. You see the line is dirty and stuff like that. I probably want to make that black as well. We got a lot of things to do in here, man. I want more carbon fiber. We blacking out everything. We fixing everything that need to be, you know, modified. And we got a theme now. Somebody just left trash in the back of my car. Anyways, bro. But yeah, man. Happy to be married. Happy to have this new energy, bro. This new flow. I'm feeling great about everything, bro. I want to do a lot of stuff. So, new project on the way, man. Venom project. Y'all tune in, and I appreciate y'all for watching.